we're filming. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to start a new series and we'll see how long I can keep it up. So we're going to be starting a kind of book cover inspired makeup looks series today, and I'm so excited. Today it is inspired by the cover of Caraval by Stephanie Garber. I've just finished this and it was so good. I will be doing a review as well, don't worry. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of incorporate the colours that are all on here and hopefully we'll get something good out of it. I have an idea in my head what I want to do. So yeah, let's just get on into the video, guys. Alright, because I feel like it's going to be a really colour heavy look, I'm not going to do my base first. But when I do this, I always tend to do the foundation on my forehead and my eyebrows first, just because I can't do all of that stuff after because it just messes everything up. So I'm just going to do my forehead foundation and my eyebrows, and I'll be back in a sec. Right, eyebrows and forehead done. I don't know what is going on, but my brows, just please ignore them. I'm not having a very good brow day today. To set my eyes, I am taking my P. Louise base and I'm just going to apply this as standard all over my eye. So I'm taking Queen on this kind of slightly larger pencil brush, and you know, just go as messy as you want. To blend this out a little bit more, I'm going to take the shade Burnt and just take that on a fluffy brush, and we're just going to rub it slightly above because it's looking a bit too pink and I want it a bit more reddish, so it fits in more with the little bunting on here. To make this a little more red, I'm going to go in with the shade Jax from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take it on the same brush that I had the red before, and I'm literally packing it all on. So now I'm going to cut my crease, and then we're going to apply this Kiko High Pigment Wet and Dry Shadow in the shade 57, and it's this really lovely, like really bright blue. That's what it looks like. It's the only blue that I have, that's what I want. So we're just gonna make it work. And to cut my crease, I'm gonna be taking my P. Louise base. So I've cut my crease and now I'm just applying the blue eyeshadow on top of the base. Don't worry if you kind of mess up the joining part, like here, because we're gonna cover that shit with glitter anyway. Now we're gonna like deepen up this area here and make it a lot more like boom in your face. So I'm gonna take the shade Abyss from the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is this shade here, and I'm gonna take it on kind of, I don't know what this brush is, but this brush, and we're gonna pack it on the edge. Then using that little dome brush, we're gonna take the shade Queen and just put it in between here to act like a better transition. This is what we've got so far. I did the black and I blended it out and smoked it and all that, but I still feel like something's missing. So I'm gonna go in with my House of Sparkle glitter in the shade Fantasy, which is this really lovely like purpley blue. It's gorgeous, and Caraval's all about sparkle and glamour. So I am so bad at applying glitter that it's actually funny. To apply this, I have the House of Sparkles like glitter fix. I also have a code for House of Sparkles, which is Beauty and the Books. just that it does it and you get 15% off. So make sure to check that out. I'm gonna use this little small pencil paintbrush even to apply the glow, and then I'm gonna use this one here to apply the glitter. Like, look how pretty that glitter is. So we're just gonna tap this where we need it. Also, apologies for the sun. This is not intended. I can't control the weather. Then I think to make the blue just a little bit more blue, I'm gonna make the blue a little bit more blue. I'm going to go in with the collection GLAM crystals in the shade, what is it? Le Freak 5. Yeah, that's better. Just whatever's left and whatever's still wet. Just keep dragging it out. After this is dry, I'm going to go in with eyeliner, which I feel like is just going to be a complete hot mess. I salute anyone that attempts to do eyeliner after they've applied their loose glitter. Right, so we've moved, hopefully just to avoid the sun. That's literally it. So now I'm applying my Maybelline Gel Studio eyeliner. So that's as good as we're gonna get with the eyeliner. So yeah, the eyes are practically finished. I'm just gonna wipe away everything. Really? Really? Thank goodness. With my face, I'm gonna do my face off camera, and then I'll tell you everything that I used. So my base is on now. I went with my Milani foundation, and then I went with my Collection Lasting Perfection concealer, and then I set it with my Coty Airspun powder. So many products. And then this is so annoying. Then I went in with the blush from the Rimmel and Kate Sculpt palette, and I've got it in golden bronze. And the light situation is still messed up, so now I've put my blind down and got the light on. Hopefully we've got it sorted. Baby Skin Primer, and then e.l.f. Shimmering Facial Whip. That's where we got to so far. Oh wait, can't forget the contour. We went with these two shades to contour, and then this shade here to bronze, and then this shade I've done to highlight the cheeks. But I'm also going to use, I think I'm going to use the like the whiter shade to do the brow bone, and then in the inner corners too. I think for the under eye I think I'm just going to do the red. I just want a massive pop of just bright red. So digging back into that queen. Going to take a little pencil brush and blend. Because I want it darker, I'm going to go back in with that, I think it was Jack's shade on the pencil brush, and we're going to put it right over the top of that queen. Whatever's left on this brush, we're going to take as well, just on the outer bit. And then to blend that out, we're going to take Sunkissed from the P. Louise palette. I'm literally just taking it on a brush and just like, I want to have it quite dramatic. We're going to get the gold out. You thought I forgot about the gold, didn't you? Because there's gold all over the cover. And with the gold, I think we're going to put it in the inner corner and then just like fizzle it out. Time for bottom mascara. We're going to go in with the Essence Volume Stylist 18 Hour Lash Extension Mascara. Right, and then we're gonna go in with some lashes. I'm gonna go in with my Eyeshadow Most Wanted lashes in the style Gimme Gimme, and we'll just pop those on. I forgot how pretty these eyelashes were. I really did. Amazing. We have the lashes on. Going to put mascara on the top too. I just do it this way because I find the lashes easier to move, my own lashes easier to move around when I haven't put mascara on them. I'm taking this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner and it's in the shade 03 Deeply Intoxicated. Now on top of that lip liner we're going to go in the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Nude Thrill. It's this one here. Guys, I think we're done. I think we're done. What? I need something else. I think I need more gold. I think I need more gold. And I'm also going to try and put it just above the blue. I'm going to take this on my really tiny paintbrush instead, so I can be like 10 times more precise. Spray with some Fix Plus. I've just sat here doing your makeup for so long. That is the most refreshing thing in the whole world. So that's it, guys. This is the look that I came up with. Tell me what you thought of this look. I'm gonna try and do a few more of these, you know, when I'm feeling a bit bored. This, I'll show you the box. So we got this, we got this, we got this. What do you think? Do you think I did a good job? I mean, I love it. I'm actually in love. It's kind of like a crossover festival look too, and I'm digging it. But anyway, that's it. We are done. I thank you for staying here till the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and there will be a review up soon of this when I've written it, when I recorded it. Anyway, don't forget to follow me on my blog, which is beautyandthebooks.blogspot.co.uk with 2 S's, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is _beautyandthebooks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below anything else you want to see, anything you like, anything you don't like. I mean, I can take some constructive criticism, please don't be too mean. P.S. I'm holding a giveaway when I reach 1,000 followers on Instagram, so go over there, show me some support, but just give it a, just shout it out, and hopefully we'll get to 1K soon. The giveaway, I'm planning some good things, cheap things but good things. And that is all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.